If you're experiencing login errors on Amazon Prime, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. After clearing, restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Update the app. If you're using the Amazon Prime app, ensure it is updated to the latest version. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates for the Amazon Prime app. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Amazon customer support. They can provide assistance specific to your account and help resolve any ongoing issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix login errors on Amazon Prime. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from Amazon's support team.